Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Of course, just in case you missed it, what just took place on track was the 400 meters hurdles, and Malik James King won that event just now. And of course, we're going to continue having live action for you. We have the 100 meters heats, and those start at about 7:50. But up first this evening, motorists who mount phones on dashboards will cease being liable for tickets by traffic police.
Amid increased public outcry about unfair tickets, the JCF High Command has issued new directives to members that phones must be in hand for drivers to be ticketed.
Now, the issue was among several matters discussed at the latest meeting of the National Security Council. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Now, currently under the Road Traffic Act, if your phone is seen right here mounted like this one or any other kind of mounting along your dashboard in your vehicle, you were liable for a ticket under the Road Traffic Act. Also, if your phone was in your lap like this one right here, you are also liable for a ticket. However, all of that is about to change.
Following a meeting of the National Security Council where we were briefed by the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology on emerging issues with regards to the implementation and enforcement of the current Road Traffic Act, the JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, has issued new directives to its members guiding the prosecution of offences of using electronic devices, including cell phones, whilst driving. These directives clarify that the device must be observed in the hands of the motorist.
The change comes amid growing complaints by motorists about being ticketed for having a mobile phone in their lap or having a device mounted on dashboards. The offence attracts a $10,000 fine under the new act. Other traffic-related issues discussed at today's meeting include the exemption of public passenger vehicle operators from the prescribed child restraint system and the renewal of a driver's license for persons 70 and over, the reduction of the demerit point system for some offences, and the designation of school safety zones. There are also considerations to temporarily suspend the enforcement of some offences from the traffic ticket management system until full support mechanisms are in place. Final deliberations of the amendments will be undertaken by a committee which will be established to manage the implementation plan. A release from the Office of the Prime Minister said the completed list of amendments is expected to be brought before Parliament within the next 2 months. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.